Wally Elder and his Pro Street 69 Dodge Daytona. In the 90s, Wally Elder constructed a Pro Street 69 Dodge Daytona. It looked as if it was capable of scoring speeding tickets while standing still. Unfortunately, needing an infusion of cash, Wally sold his creation. 20 years later, Wally and friends tracked down his old Daytona. Unable to pry the car from its owner, the decision was made to build a new and improved Daytona. With help from his wife Mary, as well as friends Brian Raymond, Anthony Flores, and Bill Ritchie, a 4130 chrome moly double frame rail is the backbone of a 117-inch wheelbase. The Daytona body is constructed from original and reproduction steel panels with fiberglass pieces sparingly applied as required and slammed hard. Bullet Racing Engines built the 526 cubic inch aluminum Indy Max Hemi block equipped with Stage 5 engineering cylinder heads, Bryant top fuel crankshaft, and rods with JE 11:1 pistons. A 3-speed Lenco transmission and Bruno's converter send power to a modified Dana 60 with strange engineering, 410 gears, and spool, all the while riding on 33-inch tall tires. An electric water pump circulates coolant through a Griffin aluminum radiator with dual SPAL electric fans. Electrons are provided by a 16-volt East Coast electric alternator. An MSD mag, 44 magneto, and MSD wires ignite the flames. 2 QTP electric exhaust cutouts allow Wally to open the headers when it's time to wake the neighbors. The chassis is equipped with strange engineering, struts and brakes up front, and a 4-link rear suspension with strange engineering shocks and coilovers. A 1471 Littlefield high helix supercharger and JBR carbon fiber injector hat help round out the package for a total of 2,500 horsepower. The project turned into a 6-year mission to build the ultimate Pro Street 69 Dodge Daytona. Wally applied PPG GM code 81 bright red paint with a contrasting white Daytona stripe on the wing for a stunning visual. Wally Elder and crew built a beast of a Pro Street 69 Dodge Daytona. It is truly one for the ages.
I can get it running. Should fire right up.